lock this, pull it out as far as it'll go. Then we have three, I believe I read they're 7mm. We'll find out here in a second. One. There's the three 7mm bolts. To separate these, just probably need like a pick or a screwdriver. All right, to separate the two, there's a tab right here. And then there's a tab right here. Pull off. Oh, I would assume the same on the other side. One right there. One right there. That can come off. And it's just two tabs holding this on. One there. And this one you kind of got to like lift up on, this little black section right here. We're gonna make this difficult. There's that. And this one's held up, it's got a tab up top and then a tab on the bottom. There you go. I'm gonna try to keep holding this top part out so it doesn't lock back in. When you push up on this little tab, it comes out. Now the problem with this one is it won't stay locked. You know, when you go left, and you can hear it clicking and popping when it goes right. So we got the new one. Slide it back in. There we go. So that's locked. Lower part. So before we get this put back together, I wanted to test it out. Yeah, works great. All right. Now this is not an easy task. It's turning out to be a big pain, and unfortunately I can't film it for you because you definitely have to have two hands with installing these. So quick tip, actually, when putting in this top part, on the back of this bottom piece, there's like a hook like this, and then on this top, there's two slides. So you just slide it onto the hook and then close it down. Now we're going to put back the 7mm. I don't know what you guys can see, but you get it. You know how to take them off. You made it this far, you can put them back together. Okay. Thing down and to the side. Lock back in the steering wheel. Not that it's probably where he wants it, but he can figure all that out later. All right, works great. And now that is how you change the turning signal switch on a Malibu.